What's going on, guys? My name's Chris Pasutka. If you want to see how this ridiculous photo was captured, you can check out Ridiculous Camera Settings Episode 5. I'll link that up here for you. If you've already seen that or just want to see the edit, well then welcome to Ridiculous Photo Edits. Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how I turn this photo shot with these camera settings into this. Pretty cool, eh? So if you're confused why you can't find Ridiculous Photo Edits 1, 2, 3, or 4, that's because they don't exist. This is my first time doing it, so this is number 5 and we're starting from number 5. As they like to say on the YouTubes, let's jump into Lightroom. Alright guys, what'd you think? Drop a comment down below. Did you think I'd be able to bring that much life back into it? When I first started doing these ridiculous camera settings and ridiculous photo edits, I wasn't sure if I'd be able to bring enough life back into them, and they just look like complete shit. But with the amount of data that's stored in these images now, it's crazy. These sensors are picking up and grabbing so much data, and you're able to do so much with it. It's so malleable, and I've only had it this time that I've actually blown out an area of the image where I couldn't work with it anymore. That just goes to show. I hope you guys learned something from following along with the edit today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't seen 1 to 4 ridiculous camera settings, I'll link the playlist up here. You can start from the beginning. Nice casual video for you today. Something a little bit more relaxing than my other videos. If you enjoyed this video, go down there, hit the like button, be something positive you did today. I'd greatly appreciate it. Subscribe as well so you know the second I post another video, and I'll see you guys next time.